As women, we represent the power of creative infinity. We can support life. Life matriculates in us. We inspire generations. However, most women are not empowered to come into their power or express their potential. We are taught to be good, but not often to be great. This Kundalini yoga set will help us declare our voice and honor our choice to live amplified. This set will ignite the fire in our belly, open our heart, and imbue our life with purpose and power. So let's get going and growing. Satnam.
Now hold your knees and circle your stomach counterclockwise. Activate the fire in your belly so that your power can flower. Now go the other way. Be the hub that your life revolves around, so that when everything is in flux, you can maintain a steady state. And inhale, relax the breath. Interlace your hands at the base of your skull and twist with the breath of fire. Spiral up out of your hips. This flushes the lymphatic system and sparks the immune system. Inhale, center, relax the breath and meditate. And come standing. Have your feet about 3.5 feet apart. Toes pointing forward. Turn your left foot to the left and press your right heel 45 degrees to the outside. Bend your left knee, bringing your left thigh parallel to the floor. Your front calf is perpendicular. Long, deep breathing. Bring your bow to full draw, feeling your back muscles engage. Stretch across your sternum, eyes open. Gaze steadily at one point. Breathe through your eyes. Fierce focus. Let the arrow of spirit fly. Feel the burn in that small muscle just above the knee on the inner thigh. Breathe into it. Stay steady. Now inhale deeply, relax the breath, straighten your front knee, return to feet parallel, and now turn your right foot to the right. Come into Archer again, long deep breathing. Feel that your feet are drawing energy from the earth. Cultivate a consistent stance and begin long deep breathing to deepen the stretch.
One deep breath in, one deep breath out, again, again, again. I don't wanna give up on the someday. Dreaming that one day it won't just be a dream anymore. I don't wanna let go of what could be behind the door. What my heart's been looking for. Everything I'm searching for. Everything I want and more.
Now inhale deeply, relax the breath, straighten your front knee, return to feet parallel, and walk your feet in, heels, toes, and now ease into crow pose and scissor your arms up and down with the breath of fire. This works on your immune system, on grounding, and supports an open heart. Inhale deeply, relax, and ease into a cross-legged pose, and meditate for a moment. Let your mind be clear water, ground down like your heart soar. And sit on your heels. Interlace your hands at the small of your back. Inhale, raise your arms off your back, lift your sternum to the sky, and exhale, forehead to the floor, arms up, and continue on your own. Inhale, raise your arms and sternum, exhale, forehead to the floor as the arms come up. On the inhale, open yourself like a flower to the sun. On the exhale, express deep gratitude to that one. And relax and come up into camel pose. Come into a kneeling position, knees hip width apart, take hold of your ankles or heels, come into full camel and begin the breath of fire. To modify, interlace your hands behind you and or curl your toes under to approximate the pose. Keep relaxing your diaphragm and throat. Hips forward, sternum to the sky. This works on the entire glandular system, all the chakras. It's good for body image issues and more.
Hold your hand out for all that I got now. Hold your hand out, 'cause I'm sinking down, down. Hold you for what you
And relax the breath and come onto your hands and knees. And sit back on your heels and stretch. And sit up on your heels and meditate.
Hold your hand out for all that I got now. Hold your hand out for all that I got now.
Hope you're feeling stress-free and very zen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And also, please visit us at ravianna.com, where you can sign up for our free monthly newsletter and also take advantage of our 7-day free trial. You can try all our streams if you're ready and you are to go deeper into your practice. See you soon.